welcome back to my channel. As you can see, it's Valentine's Day, or close to Valentine's Day. Not quite, but it's close. So today I decided to do a get ready with me. As you can see by my background and my little robe, I kind of wanted to give you that Victoria's Secret, something cute, something festive, Pink Panther vibe from like the little Beyonce video, something like that. I was inspired by a lot of things. Let's just hop right into it. I have a look that I want to do. I'm going to do like a pink halo eyes, something like that. So for today's look, I'll be using the Huda Nude palette. Cute, right? I mean, y'all seen this before. If y'all watched the very first tutorial I did with the Huda Nude palette, I just thought it would go perfect for the look today. Oh, and I have a new product for my brows. So, of course, I did my brows off camera. I used the Kat Von D Like a Tattoo in the color Mad Max Brown. It's a felt tip eyeliner, but it's brown, so I use it for my eyebrows. Really quick. First things first, I'm going to prime my eyelid with the P. Louise base in the color 02. I'll put some here. So I did say this was going to be a get ready with me. Later on, I do plan on like getting sushi. Oh, I have a couple of outfits that I got from Fashion Nova. I'm going to show y'all. So I got like a whole look planned for today. I ordered some stuff from Fashion Nova. I have new hair. I got this hair from Amazon. And I'm going to make a separate video about that. This is like my second time using this P. Louise base. No, this is like my third time using it. I'm still trying to see if I like it or not. I think I do. I just don't know if I see a difference as an eyeshadow base in comparison to like concealer that I use. But I do like to use this as a primer, especially like on my nose. That's where I typically get oily, like on my nose. So actually for the first color, I think I want to use this really hot pink in the James Charles palette. It's all dirty, but I'm going to use that one. Just kind of like starting by packing the color on first and then like blending it. I'm just getting the shape together. Okay, so now from the Huda Beauty palette, I'm going to take the color Love Bite and I'm just going to deepen it up. Now I'm going to go back in with the P. Louise base and I'm going to cut the crease, well, because it's going to be a halo eye, so just like the center of it. This is like my new favorite brush. It's by Morphe. It's the M705 brush. I like it because it's like really pointy at the tip. So now I'm just going to go back into that color Love Bite from the Huda Beauty palette. No, I'm going to use Spanked. Just to Alright, so I just kind of finished the rest off camera. This is a get ready with me. It's not really a tutorial because I'm kind of winging it. I don't really know what I'm doing. I have a reference, but I'm just kind of doing my own thing now. So in the center, I'm going to take one of these little colors here. I'm going to take Crave and put it right in the center. Okay, actually, I'm not using my finger. I'm going to use a brush. So I'm going to take a little bit of this Morphe liquid eyeshadow, put it in the pop. I'm going to pop it in the corner of my eye. Okay, so I think I'm done with my eyes for now. I'm going to start my foundation. I'm going to take a little bit of this P. Louise base and I'm going to put it on my nose and put it, you know, on the nose. I'm going to take my e.l.f. orange corrector. I'm just going to kind of correct my mouth a little bit before I apply my foundation. And for today's foundation, I'll be using the Vanish Hourglass foundation. I wear the shade Natural Amber. I'm just gonna put it on with a brush today because my sponge is dirty and I really don't feel like cleaning it right now. So now I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty concealer. I got a new one. This is in the shade 310. I like this shade a lot more than the last one I had. Alright, so I'm just gonna like blend out the creases under my eye, and I'm going to set my under eyes with the Laura Mercier powder. This is a new brush I got by Morphe. It's the Morphe E2 brush. It's like a big fluffy powder brush. So I'm just gonna set the rest of my face. Okay, so off camera, I'm just going to contour the rest of my face with the Maybelline Fit Me in the color Mocha Mocha. Y'all already know. All right, I'm back. So I'm just letting these little areas bake a little bit while I'm just gonna put the eyeshadow I have up top at the bottom of my eye. So for today's lashes, I'm going to be wearing these ones. They are from AliExpress. They're so pretty. They don't have a name. They're just like I forget the number, but I'm gonna wear these ones. So I'm going to apply these off camera, and I'm gonna put on a little mascara, and I'll be back. I have my lashes on. I have to add like a little liner just to kind of like mesh it all together. So I'm just gonna add a little blush. Let me just add a little bit of time on my nose. I'm gonna spray my face with my Morphe setting mist. So since my look is kind of like, it's kind of a lot going on in my eyes, I kind of want to keep it basic on my lips. I'm thinking about I'm going to use the these two. And a little gloss bomb. So I finished my makeup. I think I like it. I don't really know how I feel about it yet. I'm gonna take my hair down. I'm not sure if I want to keep the lip like this or change it, but I'm just gonna take my hair down and we'll just go from there. Whoa. I'm going to style my hair real quick and I'll be back. I went ahead and styled my hair. As you can see, it came out super pretty, super big. I really like it. I mentioned earlier that I bought a couple of things from Fashion Nova and I haven't really decided what I wanted to wear yet. I'm just gonna, try them on. You guys should comment down below which one was your favorite. So I ordered 3 dresses. The first one is it's like a long dress. It's pink and it has like a slit on the side. It's called Filling My Mesh Dress. Filling My Mesh Dress in the color fuchsia, and I got it in a size small. Oh, and with the sale that was going on, it was like 40% off because of 14 million, because they have 14 million followers on Instagram. The dress came up to be $21. So that was cute. It's long, it's fitted, it fits really nice. The second one, it's called the Gangzhou Ranch Dress. It's pink, which is, I really like that one. It's pink. I got it in a size small. It was only $12. And yes, and it's like scrunched up in the front. There's the bag. And the third dress is called Bangkok. Bangkok brunch dress in the color mauve. Kind of pink, kind of not. It looks almost beige, and I got that in a small as well. So those are the 3 dresses that I got. I think I'm probably going to go with the gung ho, maybe the gung ho dress. I don't know. Which one is your fave? Let me know. Alright, so I'm dressed and I'm ready to go to get a little sushi date. I hope y'all liked the video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Let me know down below what you guys did for Valentine's Day. Did you stay in? Did you go out with your boo? Let me know. Thanks for watching and happy Valentine's Day.